उसके लौड़ों के चक्कर में मेरे लौड़े लग गए, लौड़े लग गए, लौड़े लग गए।
Good morning, guys. Have a good day, and now start a new video of this calculus of differentiation calculus. Now, first question is so that I also there the derivative function. So that dy dx of log x that's equals to 1 by x, where x greater than 0. That is, and now start that. So that this dy dx of log x equals to 1 by x when x greater than 0. Now this log of ex 1 of x, and this the main function of this mathematics. So now start. Let f of x as main function of x equals to log of ex, that is, so now log of ex, that is, then f naught of x equals to, and now f naught of x equals to log of h tends to x of the denominator is h and numerator is f of x plus h and minus of f of x. That's it. Also, f of x equal to log ex. So therefore f of x that's equals to log of base ex. That's it. And now also then f of x plus h that's equals to, we also write here this function. So x is becoming x plus h, that is log base e of x plus h, that is, therefore limit h tends to 0 of, that is, so log of base e of x plus h minus of this function, so minus of log x base e, that's it, and the denominator is also h, that is, so now log of a minus log b equals to, I also write here log of a by b, that is, so using this method on here, so limit h tends to 0 of log of base e also x plus h, sorry, it's also h by, also h by x, that's it, and that's equals to also log of, so I limit of x h tends to 0, here also h, I forget that, and now log of base e that's equals to 1 plus h by x, that's it, and here also h, that is, so now limit h tends to 0 of this function, so log of e 1 plus h by x, that's it, and here also h times of. Now we have a formula of logarithm, that's it, log of 1 plus x by x that's equals to 1, putting here, so h by x times of 1 by x was also right here, so that's becoming 1 times of 1 by x, that's equals to 1 by x, so that's meaning, hence remember this question, that is f of f naught of x equals to 1 by x, that is, so it's proved also, then therefore therefore d by dx of log of ex also that's equals to 1 by x, that's it, and it's also proved. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel, never miss press the bell icon. Now I also proved this method. I also give you like this another mathematics, that is sin x equals to y cos x coming. Now the second question is so that so that d by dx of sine x equals to cos x. That's the question now. Now dy dx of sine x equal to cos x. Now so therefore sine x. So let f of x equals to sine x as well, like the first mathematics. So f of x equal to sine x and this cos x coming out. So therefore f naught of x equals to this formula, limit of h tends to 0 of h here, the denominator, and numerator is f of x plus h minus of f of x. That's it. Now limit of h tends to 0 of the denominator is h and sine of x plus h also, and this the minus of sine of x, and here also coming h, that is now sine of a plus b, that's equals to, we have a formula of this. So sine a times of cos b my plus cos a times of sine b, that's it. So therefore I write down here limit of h tends to 0 of the denominator is h and the sine of x plus h becoming this sine of x times of cos h plus cos a cos x sine h, that's it, and minus of sine x also. Also right here again sine x, that's it. And now this function we can take in common factor as like sine x, that's it. Therefore this function is another formula of like this. So right here limit of h tends to 0 of this function is coming. So therefore cos x times of sine h by h and plus of limit tends to limit of h tends to 0 of here. So sin x and sin x is common factor. So now sin x times up cos h minus 1, that's it, which of x. So therefore is cos x, and here h tends to 0, therefore it's the outside of this method. Cos x times of limit of h tends to 0 of sin h, sorry I write again, sin h by h plus limit, sorry this sin x is again here, so sin x in times of limit h tends to 0 of cos h minus 1 by h, that's it. So now here also again, therefore limit x tends to 0 of sin x by x, that's equals to 1, we also know that. So this method is coming like this, and this method we also separate this mathematics. So now limit h tends to 0 of 1 minus cos x of by x, if that's equal to 0. So now the minus common, therefore we can did it. So cos x times of 1 as well, this formula limit h tends to 0 of sin h by h, and now sin x times of limit h tends to 0 of this method coming as well, we take the minus factor. So now minus 1 minus cos h by h, that's one, and that's equals to 0 also, we know from the formula. So now I write here, so that's equals to now cos x minus sin x times of 0, as well here the 0 formula is coming. So now that's equals to cos x is here, and that's this. I also know this coming the mathematics, hence this. So f naught of x equals to cos x, as well when fx equals to sin x. Now d by dx times of sin x, that's equals to cos x, that's s. Proved. It's also proved. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Never miss press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this. Have a good day, and also walking like this in your home and separated another as like cos x, sin x.
আমি